see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
So yan, nagde-drive na kami. Papunta naman kami sa golf lesson ng mga bata. Ito yung first golf lesson nila for this year. Dati diba si Kuya nag-golf lesson siya sa Royal Adelaide. So ngayon sa Kuyonga?
Yeah.
Yeah, sa
Yeah, it's
Kuyonga. Kuyonga. So sa Kuyonga na siya ngayon sa ibang golf course kasi yung nagtuturo kay TJ, lumipat na siya doon sa Kuyonga. So, kaya si Kuya lilipat din siya. So, doon naman siya. Pero, next week, kasi every weekend yan eh. So, this is yung first week ni Kuya, first lesson. So, next week, walang golf lesson si Kuya kasi may tournament, yung International Women's Competition. So dun sa kung saan mag-golf si Kuya, dun yung tournament ng mga babaeng mga golfer around the world. Para is it around the world, Han? Yeah, around the world. So doon kung saan makikita natin etong bagong golf course kung saan si Kuya mag-golf lesson. Yes, ang daldal ni Holly.
My people.
And yung kanina, yung kinakausap sila Kuya, 'di ba? Nung matanda. Ano din siya, parang professional golfer siya, 57 years na raw siya nag-golf. Tapos binigyan sila Kuya ng tips kung ano yung, kasi nakita niya daw okay na daw yung ano nila Kuya and TJ sa pag-hit ng golf. Yung kanina sa driver range, yung nagaganon siya. Ang sabi nung lalaki, nung mama, mag-practice daw more sila Kuya doon sa pag-pat. Is it, Han? Patting?
Patting and chipping.
Patting and chipping, sabi practice more patting and chipping kasi sabi niya ano daw, basta mayroon siyang sinabi sa kanila. And then you have to listen to who?
Dad
Yeah.
or someone else on the course.
Yes, so sabi niya you have to listen to your dad and to your teacher. Sabi niya ganon kasi basta may sinabi siya sa kanila na na nakaka-proud naman.
I can
Nasla ba?
just listen to myself.
Listen to yourself. Listen to himself. O, diba? Just listen to himself. Okay. Is that what he said?
No.
No, listen to your dad and to your teacher.
What for?
It's hot, Han. Do you have aircon on?
Yeah, on it.
No, it's not.
No, actually.
What's that, Zach? Mamaya na lang ulit si Zach.
He said, when I'm a grown up, I'm gonna listen to it myself.
When he grow up, Daddy. When you like him, like his age? Huh?
20 or 30.
Natawa ko. So, mamaya na lang.
Arrive at May Terrace.
Malapit na kami. May Terrace. Yeah, ito na pala.
There's only one turn. Oh, here's the golf course. There's only one turn. Dad, this is quick from the driving range.
Yeah, it's close.
How's it so quick from the
Arrive at May Terrace.
Malapit lang kasi siya dun sa pinuntahan namin kanina.
arrive? Yeah.
Arrive. Here, Han. Dito na kami. Pasok tayo dyan. Dyan tayo pasok.
Who's that?
Kuyonga. Kuyonga pala. K-O-O-Y-O-N-G. How are you gonna get in, huh?
Alright, that's fine.
It's that way.
TJ. Deliveries only, press button on the gate.
So, what you gonna...
What's that? Hey, going me. Oh, but now we can die.
Bawal ano.
That was so easy. The balloon didn't even
Thank
press
you.
it.
Nah, it's a car door.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, we're falling apart.
Parking.
Daniel
Ayan o,
Black
Kuyonga. Ayun.
Where?
Ito na makita
That
niyo.
is Daniel.
Bago siya mag-turn.
Hey Dad, that's why you're
Ayan,
parking.
Kuyonga.
Car park.
Dati Royal Adelaide. Ngayon naman Kuyonga. Tignan tayo ng parking. Ayan, Han.
Nah, that'd be cool.
No, this one. This one. Or that one. It's up to you.
Up to you, whatever you want to park.
Yeah.
Are they older you peoples?
No, I should put, no, not
You don't know
really.
that. You don't know.
Okay, dito na kami. Let's go.
That when I drive.
Nandito na yung dalawa na Google Plus na ata. Ayun. Dito tayo, maupo tayo dito. May paupuan sila dito. Ayun sila. Upo tayo dito kasi hindi tayo pwede doon. Kasi baka mag-skandalo doon si Oli. Mag-ingay ba? Ayan si Kuya. First time ni Sok. Gagawin niya to dito sa Adelaide. Stay here, Holly. Holly here.
I can't believe it.
Yeah, be quiet. Be quiet. Naririnig yun, nag-hi na siya. Shh, you're not allowed. You're not allowed to be noisy here, Papa, because people are golfing, playing golf. Come here. Ayun yung magkapatid, magkatabi sila. Sinezoom in ko lang kayo. Medyo malayo kaming konti sa kanila. Nagalaw ni Sophie. Kawawa, Shh, be quiet. Ito naman ang ingay ng bulilit na to. Shh, be quiet. Yes. Malaki yung shirt ni Sok. Lagi niyang inaangat. Si Sok, nahuhuli si Sok.
It's fine.
Yeah, but it's not working now. See? Oh my God.
Look at that.
because shh, no noise here.
And play that.
No playing.
In that. Mommy.
Ayan, takbo-takbo lang siya. Napagod niya siya kaka-vlog. Ngayon nagtatakbo-takbo na naman siya. Are you tired vlogging? No? Ayan. Ano naman siya? Busy siya. Oh. Ayan, mag-vlog na siya. Say hi, guys.
Why is there worry? Mommy, there worry.
Okay, later.
Say five things.
Bawal ang maingay kasi ito kaya binigay ko
I
talaga
don't
yun.
think so though. Say that.
Stay here. Pinablog siya. Pinablog niya ang mga kuya niya. Pinablog niya ang daddy niya naman. Yan si kuya. Dito ka lang. May dito vlogger. Feel na feel. Yes! Kuya DJ and Kuya Zach, okay. We slowly stay there, huh? Not too close. Just there, Papa. Shh, that's it. That's it. Stop there. Holly, dito na. Oops, good job, son. Good job, son. Nasaan ayun si Kuya? Shh, be quiet. Ito naman na, ha?
Mom,
Hmm?
Daddy want my hair.
Daddy. Tinanggal daw ni Daddy niya to.
She did.
No.
She did.
No.
She did for my hair.
Okay na, come on. Lagay na natin ito, Papa. Stay here. You're not allowed to be too close.
Yes. Wanna see? Yeah. Yeah.
Don't, Papa.
Take this.
You're gonna break my camera. No more. Turn off for mommy. Okay. Don't do that.
They got. Zach.
Kinucoach pa siya ng daddy niya.
I'll throw, mate.
Watch the boys. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Go run there. Pushing. Holly, come here. What did you do? Kunin natin. Wait, Holly, wait. Holly, there's cars. Holly. What did you do? What did you do?
What's this?
What you have?
Pieces.
No, what you have here? No.
Bubbles.
Mag-change kami ng napi niya.
What's that?
Tama, halika.
Cookies.
Okay, cookies. Okay. Punta kami sa car kasi i-change ko siya ng napi. Yan, fresh na siya. Shh, be quiet. Kumuha siya ng ano. Hindi, dala-dala niya. Pabukas niya na yung baby niya. Oh. Come on here, sit down here. Come on.
Daddy do it.
Okay, Dad do it. Okay.
What do you got, Bubba?
Ayan na sila. O, tapos na. Are you done? Oops. No balls, kuya. Ayan na. Tapos na sila. Ayan na. Nakuha si Sak na token. Tapos na sila. Ayan na yung coach niya. Ayan na. Hi, how are you?
Thank you.
Good.
We're going to have a week off next week, and then we're back to
Kasi may women's golf competition. Next.
Grange. Good. Thank you.
Kasi do boy
All
do.
happy? Yeah, do you want to hit some golf balls? Smack some golf balls?
Do you want? Okay, say thank you. Mag-hit daw sila. So,
Yeah, I know. Big trip.
Next term will be after.
Good.
thank you.
Thanks very much.
Nice seeing you again.
Yeah, same. Thanks for coming up again. The two of them now.
Yeah, I guess. Look at this one.
Yeah, that's great.
You like it?
He got a token, I did not.
You got one?
Because I was close to the hole.
Good job.
I was, but I didn't get one.
Oh,
No, because
where
I was
is it?
flashing.
It's alright. Next time.
Harder.
Si Zach meron. This is Kyonga. K for Kyonga. Ayan o. Kinuhaan sila ng balls para mag-hit.
Mom, what's the thing this is?
Kyonga. That's a Kyonga. Ayan na si Kuya. Oh. Mag-hit siya ng balls doon. Go hit some balls then. You want the pot? Ayan si Daddy. Oh. Kino-coach na naman siya. Nalulobot. Holly, here! Baba! Stay there, Baba. Malulobat tayo. Nagbiblink na yung battery ko. Ayun si Sako. Nagpapagulong dun. Oh. Relax na siya. Tapos na yung golf lesson niya. Andun na si Daddy. Did you have fun, Sa?
Can I?
Mm.
What was it now?
Andun si Holly. Come here. Ngayon si Holly, ayaw umalis doon. Kasi pag kinuha ko yan, baka umiyak. Mag-iskandalo ba dito? Kaya inayaan ko lang siya doon. Oh. Ayan si Jan and TJ. Si Sa. Huh? Not yet. What time is it? It's 3:05. May puti ka dito, nak. Oh.
Mom.
Hmm. So, hintayin ko lang silang matapos. Then, uwi na kami. Ayan na si Holly. Napagod na siya sa init. Ayan na siya. What happened, Baba? Pinapapili niya ako. This one. This one. That one. Yes. Yay! What is it? Okay. Okay. What to choose? Kuya Zach, do it to you. Oh, Kuya Zach. Because Mommy's holding my camera. Okay, go. Papiliin mo siya, Kuya. Magigas. Yay! How about all? Watch. Marunong ka namang loko, ha? Oh,
That one. But that one?
No, this one. Shh, yo. Oh, here. Oh, Zach. Shh, be quiet. Shh. Niloloko kasi kami ni Holly. Ang pinipili namin is yung nandun yung yung hawak niya. At gusto niyang ibuka yung walang laman. Shh. Ayun na siya. Alam. Andun na si Sak kasi. Ngayon si Holly, dala niya yung basket kung saan linalagay yung mga balls. Andun na pala si Sak. Baba! You have to put it back! You have to put it back there. Yeah. Yeah, that's for the... It's not your bag. No, it's not. It's for the boss. Anong daddy said? Nagsisinungaling ka, ha? I don't think so. I don't think so. That's not a bag. That's a basket. Yeah. Put it back there. Yeah, that's a golf bag. Balik mo na yan, Sia. Ayan, tapos na sila. Tara, Kuya. Si Holly, honey, ha? You're good? Where's Holly? Oh, you have to go sideways. Walk like this. Yes. Sideways. Ayan si Kuya. Sideways talaga siya. Careful, sa. Sideways. Good job. Tingnan mo si Kuya. Si Kuya bit-bit niya. Ikaw kasi... Yeah, that's right. Si Kuya, ayan. Easy daw, sabi ni Kuya. Okay, go.
What's that called?
There. Here. This way. Where's your hat, Kuya? Okay. Holly, can you fix your strap, please?
Please?
No, your seat belt. Fits the arms.
We still at.
So, ayan, nagda-drive na kami. And then, kanina kumain sila ng snake na lollies. And nag-stop kami sa gasolinahan para bumili ng soft drinks nila kasi sobrang init, sabi ni Jan. Reward niya daw yan na soft
Whenever
drinks.
Dad stops, you have to get
Ayan. And si Holly pala tulog na. Pagod na rin si baby girl. And di ba kanina mayroon akong shades? Hindi ko na siya mahanap. Wala sa bag ko. Kasi kanina si Holly, dig siya ng dig sa bag. Sana hindi ko naiwan doon sa sa may upuan kung sa kayo nakaupo kanina. Pero sabi naman ni Jan, wala naman daw siya nakitang doon. Naiwan. Sabi ko baka nasa ilalim ng ng upuan. Hindi ko naman chinek kasi confident naman ako nasa bag ko na yun. Wala yun sa ulo ko eh. Ay, sana nandito lang siya. Pero hinanap ko lang, wala talaga. So yeah, pauwi na kami. And sobrang bukas may pasok yung mga bata. Ayan na yung tunnel. Oh. Bye, Adelaide. Bye, Adelaide.
Not at Adelaide now.
Stop muna kayo dito para kumuha ng makakain. Look at that car. Batman car. Sago. Batman car. Look at that car. Is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Dad, I think he's doing that race today.
Ah, Krispy Kreme ha.
No, Krispy Kreme, you don't know that you've got enough weight on you already.
Oh my God, bawal daw kasi yung tiyan ko malaki na.
Dad, I think it's doing a
happened?
race today.
Mag-hungry jacks kami for dinner. Mag-alas 5 na. Oh.
Tara.
Kain muna kami dito.
Dad,
Here, sit here, Baba. Here, Baba, sit here. Nakakita siya ng slide, oh. Dito na yung food namin. And eto yung sa amin nila Jan and Kweti and sa Holly. Eto yung kay Sak. Tingnan nyo yung kay Sak ha. Siya yung naiiba sa amin. Eto yung kay Sak.
what's that?
Lemon rice chicken. Kay Zachary. Ano kaya to? Lemon siguro to. So, ayan ang dinner namin bago umuwi ng bahay. What's that? Where's your... What's this? Lemon what?
Lemon sauce.
Anong lemon what? Lemon chicken. Zachary.
Can you try now?
Yeah. Hot? I-blow niyo raw. Ito is yung lemon na sausawan. Manamis-namis siya. No, you don't need to drink this. You have to dip your chicken here. Share sila ni Zach. Ito yung akin. Grill Masters Range. Wait, Baba. Mommy, open. Wait.
Look at all the sauce stuff. The sauce.
And oh, look at this one. Wow, you wanna bite? Slowly. Hot?
Yeah. Okay, that.
Try nga natin to. Wow. Sak, this is good. That rice. Masarap siya. Gustong itry ni Kuya. You like it, Zach? Ano? Good. Masarap siya nga. Do you like that? That? That one?
Long face.
No, the rice. You like it? Kuya, pabalik-balik sa food ni Zach. Nakakalahati niya na yung burger niya. Yes, Oli. Kaya tapos na kayo mag-dinner dito sa OTR service station. Wala akong sunnies. And eto, bumili kami ng maliit na size na crispy cream donuts. Yung original lang yung kinuha namin. And yeah, so i-close ko na yung vlog. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Say see ya.
See ya.
See ya, Ale. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Good night. Holly. Holly.
Holly's sleeping.
Holly. Say good night. Say bye.
Bye.
Huh?
Bye.
And say see ya.
Yeah.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.